guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and this time round is from RainSo. So it's a professional healthcare product manufacturer specialized in jewelry. I was so surprised when I heard about it because it's so cool and it's entirely something new that I have not come across. Products that I received from RainSo, and I'll show you guys the detail right now so you guys can get a clearer idea of what it does and what to expect from them. So yeah, let's get right into it. So these are the two products that I've chosen from RainSo. So at first when I see the packaging, I was like, wow, it looks so cute and adorable. It's actually like see-through and it comes in this plastic film. So you can see the product and it's placed nicely. It doesn't shift, which is awesome. I'll show you guys how to open it up because I was wondering the same thing when I received it. But the packaging is so nice and cute, and you can see the bracelet design. I'll show you guys the two different bracelets and what it's for in close-up detail right now. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this is a close-up of how the packaging looks like. It's a very cute gift box, and as you can see, both sides is see-through and it has their brand on it, RainSo. And you can open it up here. It says push like that, and ta-da! You get it open. So this is I'm going to show you guys the first detail of the first bracelet. So this is known as their Woman's Powerful Copper Magnetic Bracelet. It's great for arthritis. So the best part is that it's adjustable, as you can see here, with their RainSo design. And it's strong power magnet with more than 3,500 gauss. It helps to promote pain relief, inflammation, circulation. And the best part is it's made of 99.99% copper. I really love the design, as you can see here. It's so adorable. I'll show you guys how it looks like when I put them on right now. To adjust the strap, just put it on like that first, and then you can adjust accordingly using this. So this is how it looks like after I adjust it to the length that I want. Just perfect for me, and the design is so adorable. Can't believe like it's actually have like medical uses as well, which is great for our body, and it's like jewelry, so you can wear them everywhere with any outfit. The copper color is amazing. I actually love this so much and I wear it like daily now. So yeah. The second one is this one. It's in this same design and packaging, and you can just put them back in after like you finish it at the end of the day, or when you want to switch your style up and stuff like that. So this one is the Woman Adjustable Effective Copper Magnetic Bracelet for pain. So I was suffering some like wrist pain recently because I was exercising too much and taking too much dumbbell. So I decided to get this one to try it out. So this one is how it looks like. This is more of the pinkish hue, and that's like the design, as you can see. Pink and silver, while the previous one was just silver. I love both of them, and the reason why I choose them once again is because it's adjustable. I love anything that's adjustable because you don't have to get it tailored, and it's just perfect, can fit your wrist perfectly fine. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like when I wear them on now. This is how it looks like after I put them on. Very adorable. And each magnet, well, the bracelet is protected by covers, so it can last for a very long time. And it's premium iron plated, super quality product. So other than copper, it also comes in stainless steel, titanium, and ceramic. There's so much different design that you can choose from their side. So I absolutely love how it looks, and it's one of like the most cutest like fashionable bracelet ever. So yeah. So thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let me know what you guys think of the RainSo product, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!